welcome to my channel, Kids Learning Club.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for york. Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching.